to help a child who is scared. Emotional first aid kit for kids. When a child is scared, their world shrinks. They don't have the words as we adults have. They have only feelings. And our job is to guide them through these feelings with safety, clarity, and compassion. Today, I am sharing how to emotionally support a child who is scared in simple steps any parent, teacher, elder, or family member can follow. Step 1. Safety first, not questions. When a child is scared, don't start with what happened, why are you scared, who did what. Instead, start with I am here. Sorry. Instead, start with I am here. You are safe. You are not alone. A child's nervous system calms through your tone, not your words. Step 2. Validate emotions. Say things like, it's okay to feel scared. You don't have to hide your feelings. I understand this was too much for you to handle. Validation instantly reduces the fear. Step 3. Separate the child from the problem. Teach them this powerful idea. There's you and there's the scary moment. The scary moment is outside you, not inside. This helps them regain control. Step 4. Teach calm choices. Give the child options like, do you want to sit quietly or play for 5 minutes? Do you want to drink water or hug your soft toy? Do you want to talk later on or now? Choice gives them empowerment. Step 5. Teach boundary language. Simple sentences that make a child feel strong. Please speak softly. I am scared when voices are loud. Can we talk calmly? I want space for a minute. Children who learn boundaries early grow confident. Step 6. Show them what to do during loud or stressful situations. Teach them if someone is shouting, you can move to another room. If you feel unsafe, you can call an adult. If your heart beats faster, breathe for now. Teach skills and not fear. Step 7. Reinforce that asking for help is a strength. Tell the child it's brave to ask for help. You did the right thing. Children who are supported become emotionally resilient adults. Every child deserves emotional safety, and you have the power to create that safe space just with presence, patience, and love. If you want more child emotional safety content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If this message helps, reach it to more parents and caregivers who need it. Thank you.